Hello, welcome to my channel. It's lunchtime, I'm very hungry, and today I'm going to try this. This is lamb's head. It's mostly eaten in Morocco, Scandinavian countries, completely different. Never had it before, but I love lamb, so this is going to taste incredible, I think. It smells delicious. I'm going to start with, I think, the best part, the cheeks. Wow, look at the meat. It's been boiled and it's been put in a slow cooker and it's been put in the oven. So you can see, this is the cheeks. Delicious. Oh, it's also got an eye. Which I can't get out. This is the tongue. That's the cheek.
This is the eye.
This is the eye. Very soft, very gelatinous, full of flavour, delicious. As you can see, I've taken some of it apart. I've removed the jaw and I've eaten the tongue. Now I'm going to eat the rest of it, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, so this is the inside of the jaw. This is the eyeball. I'll eat that. Oops. Yep. Let's get that knife. Well, I've taken most of the meat off. As you can see, it's been a bit of a mess, but worth it because it's delicious. And there's the skull. I've removed the eyes on both sides. I've removed the tongue. And let me show you the meat. That's the meat that's come off. So yeah, that's my meal. Alright guys, until the next video, take care.